Welcome to homeworklib.
What is the probability of rolling a number greater than or equal to 4 on a fair die? We begin by recalling that a regular fair die has 6 faces numbered from 1 to 6. This means that when we roll the die, there are 6 possible outcomes. In this question, we are interested in the event of rolling a number greater than or equal to 4. There are 3 ways of satisfying this: rolling a 4, rolling a 5, or rolling a 6. We recall that we can write the probability of an event as a fraction, where the numerator is the number of favourable outcomes and the denominator the total number of possible outcomes. In this question, the probability of rolling a number greater than or equal to 4 is 3 out of 6, or 3/6. Since the numerator and denominator are divisible by 3, we can simplify this fraction. And we can therefore conclude that the probability of rolling a number greater than or equal to 4 on a fair die is 1/2. It is worth noting that we could also write our answer as a decimal or percentage. 1/2 is equal to 0.5 and 50%.